Welcome in, everyone. Meteorologist Landon Riffle from the Canopy News 2 Severe Weather Center. We have a few ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings, even a tornado warning just outside our viewing area. Zooming in on this tornado warning first, though. That does include portions of Hitchcock and portions of Dundy County. This is northwest Hitchcock and northeastern Dundy County. 3-inch hail and radar indicated rotation. I would say maybe the best rotation would be right there, as there's like a hook right there. I don't have an air. Actually, yes I do. The best rotation would probably be right in there. Right where I circled it. That's where the possible rotation would be with that storm. We do have a few severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Chase, southwestern Hays County, ping pong ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds with that. Then another severe thunderstorm warning down here. This is a destructive storm. Areas of Stratton. This hail is being observed for northwest Hitchcock and northeastern Dundy County. 3-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Trained weather spotters report baseball-sized hail northwest of Stratton at 8:31. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. No severe thunderstorm warning down over here until 9. Central Frontier County, quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds with that. Then another severe thunderstorm warning for portions of northwest Dawson County, quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds with that. Anywhere else, we'll keep an eye on. But again, we do have this tornado warning down here for northwestern Hitchcock and northeastern Dundy County. Here in the Tri-Cities, it's clear though. We'll take a look at futurecasts. Storms fizzle out, but it's certainly possible we could see a weak thunderstorm. But tomorrow we're calling a weather alert day for some severe thunderstorms. Tomorrow. Again, tornado warning for Hitchcock and Dundy counties. We'll send it back to a flash flood warning. Yeah, it is. But again, tornado warning for Dundy and Hitchcock County that runs until 9:15 p.m. We'll send it back to regular scheduled programming at this time.